Hey guys, in this video we're going to show you how to shift that thing and use that clutch down there, the double clutch, just in case you're going for your driver's test or you want that automatic restriction taken off your license as soon as we get out of here. Before we get started, I just want you to know this is going to take a lot of practice for you to get used to. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to do it right away, to be honest, because I haven't done this in years. So it takes a lot of practice. Okay, here we go. So we're putting it in gear. We're putting the clutch all the way to the floor. Now this is the only time that the clutch is going to be all the way to the floor, because that engages the clutch brake. And you don't want to do that when you're double clutching. You just want to push the clutch maybe about halfway down when you're doing it. So the clutch brake will, it stops the transmission, so you'll be grinding gears like crazy if you do that while you're double clutching. So it's going to be clutch in, neutral, clutch in, shift. Remember, you're only pushing the clutch about halfway down. Getting out of the driveway now. Full stop, clutch all the way down, engage the clutch brake. And we're gonna get going. Clutch, clutch, shift. Clutch neutral, clutch shift. This is an 18 speed. I'm just shifting full gears here. I'm not, you don't use the clutch when you're using the splitter right here. Yeah, we're getting going again. Neutral, clutch, shift. That's downshifting. You're doing the same thing just backwards, and between shifts you got to give it a little bit of gas. You got to match the RPM. Starting from a stop. And just remember to take your time with it. You know, it's not a race car. Just take it easy. Take your time. Don't worry about the people behind you. They'll get where they're going. Just take it easy, be patient, and take your time. We'll try another downshift here. Like I said, you're doing the same thing, just backwards. And in between shifts, you have to rev match the RPM. So you have to put the RPMs where you think it's gonna be when you downshift. And this is how I drive now. It's just floating the gears. I don't use the clutch anymore. I just take my foot off the gas pedal, like not all the way, but almost all the way. It'll slip right out of gear and right back into the next gear. Just got to get the timing down. Or sometimes if you're about to come to a stop, you just can't get, like, you just keep pulling on the shifter and you just can't get it out sometimes. Just a little tap of the clutch will pull it right out of gear. Clutching, it can be really frustrating and a real pain in the ass, to be honest with you. But if you don't want the automatic restriction on your license, you have to learn how to do it. Or you could just drive an automatic and not have to worry about any of this shit. If you guys want to see anything else, just let me know down in the comments. And I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you on the next one. It's cold as hell out here. I'm getting out of here. See you next time.